Here we divide 640 by 5 in long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 1. So now we put down this 4 and it is 14. 5 times 2 is 10. On subtracting we get 4. So again we put down this 0 and it is 40. So 5 times 8 is 40. On subtracting we get 0. So 640 divided by 5 is 128. So this much for today and thanks for watching.